The secret to make 1 crore as an animator. Now, this might sound out of your mind's capacity that an animator can actually earn 1 crore. If I talk about international studios, there are studios who pay 1 crore salary to animators. But if I talk about India, people don't get that much amount of salary. Now, what is the big deal? Why they are not getting? Because of the value creation. So the only secret to become super successful as an animator is marketing yourself and bringing in front of more people so that more people come to know about you and more people give you the work and you can make more money from your skills. See the artists who charge crores for their paintings. What different they do in their paintings? Does it take them years and years to create that painting? No. Just because of the right business skills, just because of the right knowledge about how people think, about the marketing and all, that is the reason why they can charge crores of rupees. And the same way, you also as an animator can charge lakhs and crores for your work. If you are somebody really want to charge lakhs and lakhs of rupees for your animation work, I am doing a 10 days animation workshop in which I'm going to show the exact process, the exact strategy of how you can brand yourself, how you can market yourself, and also I'll be sharing a lot of animation tips and tricks. This 10 days workshop is actually worth more than 20,000 rupees, but for a limited time I'm offering just at 591 rupees. So there is a link in the description. Click on that link before the seats are full and before we increase the prices. Click on the description and reserve your seat, and I will see you in the workshop.